Education and mental health outcomes differ for young people in Ireland. 1 in 12 people who start secondary school in Ireland do not complete their leaving certificate. 49% of Irish adolescents report experiencing depression outside of the normal range. And the purpose of this research was to try to understand what works in terms of overcoming these differences. In 2017, Rethink Ireland decided to set up 3 funds to support organisations trying to tackle these issues. These funds were the Education Fund, the Youth Funds and the Children and Youth Funds. The social return on investment of these projects was 1:8. This means that for every euro invested in these projects, €8 of social value was generated.
This research matters simply because up to this point we didn't have the evidence, and being able to open the black box of service provision allows us to look into that black box that was kind of, we couldn't see through into this up to this point, allows us to see what exactly goes on and what's the value of that.
I would like to actually see that there would be a proper public conversation of the meaning of education in Ireland, that we actually really would bring together all interested parties who would very much establish a meaning of education for young people in Ireland today, and also for adults, if you put it like this, right, as part of lifelong learning and so on. I would like to see that this becomes a governmental priority and that it is much more invested into education. And last but not least, we do have to talk about alternative education as a sector, and we have to actually bring all these projects together and ask them how they would like to see this sector in future.